So hope is the armor, and patience is the polish on the armor. While we're waiting on the new paradigm to emerge, how can we function in the hope? Well, my answer came in 1971 from rodeo clown and bullfighter Quail Dobbs. I was a cameraman on a documentary crew filming the bull riding at one of the oldest rodeos in the country. Quail described how he worked with the bulls even though they were faster than him, bigger than him, and seemed to want to hurt him. He explained, when the bull begins to run toward you, it's time for you to run, but only as fast as you can run easily. Put one hand behind you, and when you feel the bull's breath, then you make gentle contact with their nose. The bull thinks he's got you and will plant his feet and hook his horns, but you keep running and you gain one step. But all you need is one step. I recognized then that was a good way to approach pretty much everything in life.
I hit the road to fame and fortune, wet behind the ears, a bull riding cowboy of lean and tender years. Blue sky dreams filled my head, too green to feel much fear. Dad's stories of the rodeo fill my hungry ears. I was sitting down behind the chutes, waiting for my ride, when a fella dressed in baggy pants kneels down by my side. He whispers through the grease paint, my job's to save your hide. Son, listen to experience and not your cowboy's pride. You see your glory lasts 8 seconds, son, then the whistle sounds. You're the hero for a moment, but the show starts when you're down. Then horns and hooves and fear explode, your heart begins to pound. That red-eyed demon's gaining and there's no fence to be found. But all you need is one step, though you'll feel his hot breath blow. You see, the demon gives you one more step each time you slap his nose. The old boy thinks he caught you, so run steady as she goes. 'Cause all you need is one step until the bullfighter shows. In '68 the letter came, next stop Vietnam. I traded in my chaps and spurs to fight for Uncle Sam. My head was full of John Wayne dreams, a rifle in my hand. Soldiering was in my blood, I came to free the land. The mortar shells were falling, bullets whistled past my ear, while I thought about the words my sergeant said that I should hear. A hero's medals give no warmth nor give a lover cheer. Don't die the fool, son, play it cool, go dry your mother's tears. The night exploded round me, death was all around. The enemy engulfed us with a paralyzing sound. The sergeant hollers, fall back, in the star shell's eerie glow. A ghostly man in baggy pants and grease paint says, let's go. But all you need is one step, though you'll feel his hot breath blow. You see, the demon gives you one more step each time you slap his nose. The old boy caught you, so run steady as she goes. 'Cause all you need is one step until the bullfighter shows. I had my fill of mud and blood. At times I thought I'd drown. I added up my tally. It was time to settle down. Picket fences filled my dreams. My course was homeward bound. First school, then job, then wife and kids. Feet firmly planted on the ground. Sure, I'd run from bulls and bullets. Yes, death whispered in my ear. But that was as a young man of lean and tender years. Alone there wasn't much to lose. Now life fills to the brim. I see my grandkids growing, but my sight is growing dim. And then one night it happened. At first I thought it was a dream. I was back in the arena and I heard the whistle scream. A bolt of fear ran through me. There was not a fence in sight. Then an angel dressed in baggy pants and grease paint points me toward a light and whispers, all you need is one step, though you'll feel his hot breath blow. You see, the demon gives you one more step each time you slap his nose. The old boy thinks he caught you, so run steady as she goes. 'Cause all you need is one step